try to go above and beyond to please my clients. That's our number one focus here at Premier Production Choice, to make sure that our clients leave with a positive experience. I have an awesome team. In order for me to be successful, I couldn't do it without my team.
My name is Tiffany Graham and I work with Ascension. We have hospitals all over the country, and so with that we have meetings all over the country. We have meetings that can range anywhere from 30 people all the way to 250 people, and we usually have 300 to 400 meetings per year. So that means that we also have to have an AV team that's ready to go with us at any given time. She knows what our group's like and she knows exactly what we need even when we don't know what we need. So I might have somebody say they need extra flip charts or a couple more lapel mics, and she'll always have everything on hand. Her team is phenomenal to work with. They're always ready to go.
With Debra, you get a lot of commitment. You don't just get equipment. She brings dedication to Premier Production Choice.
This is one of the best things I've done in my life. What I would say to someone looking to be an entrepreneur, if you want to do it, step out on faith, because that's exactly what I did. God says, you take one step and I will show you 10. Do your homework, do something toward your business every day, one foot in front of the other.
So I would like to congratulate both Janetta and Debra on this wonderful award, and they're together a dream team to work with. They're any meeting planner's dream.